Hello everyone, and welcome back for another video, welcome back for another practice. Let's work out. I have two dumbbells, 15 kg here, so it will be full body workout. We will do 4 sets, 4 exercise. So first, quick warm up and then let's move on. Here we go. Inhale first deeply as always. Exhale. One more. Exhale. I'll turn back to you. First, please, arms open towards the side. We're going to rotation down and in. Outside, inside. Outside, inside. 1. Go ahead. 2. Keep working. 3. Nice. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. 10. Arms behind your head. Push backwards your elbows, lock, hold 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. From here, inhale deeply, exhale, bend towards the left side. Switch, inhale, towards the right. Okay. Lock your arms behind your back, push your chest forward, nice, hold 3, 2, 1, and release. Okay, the next one, knees towards your chest, push as high as possible, 3, 2, 1, switch, right on up, hold 3, 2, 1, good one. Awesome. We're gonna start first with something simple. We're gonna do with 1 dumbbell, remain in deadlifts with 1 dumbbell. So earlier we're moving our hips backwards, then we're gonna back up, push up from our arms, working our shoulders, and continue 12 times. Here we go. This is first one. Grab your dumbbell. You can use something light, so you don't need to use something very heavy. Here we go. Inhale first deeply and back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, nice. 8, 9, 10, 2 more, 11, 12, and release. Awesome. Relax. Inhale first deeply. Exhale. The next one, what we're gonna do, we're gonna squat. 2 dumbbells in your hands, or you can do just normal squat. Keep your legs wide open a little bit. Lower back straight, chin up, and just squat all over to the ground. Here we go. Grab, and let's work 12 times. Inhale first deeply, and down. Knees towards the side. 2, 3, 4, 5, push, 6, 7, nice, 8, 9, 10, 2 more, 11, 12. Okay, awesome. Relax. Inhale first deeply. Exhale. The next one, what we're gonna do, we're gonna work on our back muscles. So, driving our hips backwards a little bit. Grab your dumbbells. We're gonna drive our dumbbells all over up, squeezing our back. Please keep in mind your elbows will drive backwards. Don't do this. Backwards, and work with your back muscles. When you're driving, just you need to squeeze your back. So don't use your biceps. Of course your biceps will work, but use your back more. Here we go. 12. Inhale first. Grab. And up. Go. 12. And 2. Squeeze. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 2 more. Good one. Release. Awesome. You can use lighter dumbbells if you have, let's say 5, 7, 10 kg, or if you're working in pounds, like try to not use like heavier than 20 pounds, let's say. So try to find your body weight and work. This was the third. The fourth one will be chest. We're gonna lie down in the back, drop our dumbbells, then drive down on the ground, push up, down on the ground, push up. Here we go, 12. Same thing, grab, first inhale, lie down, straight arms in front, and down, elbows on the ground, and push. 1. As you can see, I'm doing small rotation. 2, squeeze. 3, 4, nice. 5, push. 6, 7, 8, nice. 9, 10, 11, 12, and up. Awesome. Release. Good one. Here we go. Inhale first deeply. Exhale. Nice and slow. Moving forward. Round 2. Remain in deadlifts, shoulders. Work slow, feel good stability, and have good control. Here we go. Grab. And aerial is back, shoulders up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Not bad. Awesome. Working. Inhale first deeply. Exhale. When we are working out, we are using more oxygen, so we need to work out, of course, to build bone density, to build strength, and also this way our body can intake more and more oxygen. So this is very important. Here we go. Inhale. Exhale. Grab legs. 12. Inhale and work. And 2, 3, nice. 4, 5, 6, push. 7, push. 8, 9, 10. 2 more. Good one. Release. Inhale first deeply. Exhale. I hope you'll find this workout useful. It's not so complicated. Sometimes I try to move just simple way. It's not about how heavy you work. It's all about how consistent you go, and try to have different kind of variety of exercise. I'm lifting in the gym, using machines. I'm using dumbbells. Recently, I have also kettlebell, but I have only one. It's very heavy, 32 kg, and I cannot do many things. So I want to improve this. So I'll buy soon 2 more light dumbbells and just improve my technique, improve the way it feels to work with kettlebells. Okay, inhale. Grab your dumbbells. Here we go. Back. And 2, squeeze up. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Nice. I really like to work out at home, outdoor. Of course, going in the gym is also like another vibe, but I try to combine it, especially when you have kids. My daughter, she's right now 3.5 months young, so I want to spend time with her, with my wife. I want to help my family. So having dumbbells, kettlebells at home helps me to maintain my body in good shape and not complaining about like you don't have time, you don't have gym. Just grab your dumbbell, your kettlebell and just work. You can achieve good results just being consistent. Here we go, inhale. Chest lying down. Up. Here we go, and 2, nice. 3, push. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Awesome. Up. Not bad. Okay, inhale, 2 rounds. Well done, 2 more to go. Inhale deeply. Exhale. Okay, moving forward. If you want to rest more in between, just take your time and rest. But I prefer to work because for me it's not so complicated. I'm just doing my thing. Here we go. Remain in deadlifts. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Nice. Awesome. It feels good. I don't know about you, how you feel, but I'm not pushing myself to work out. I just really like it and I really enjoy. And also what I figured out about me, I'm pissed off doing, let's say, only one thing. Let's say only machines in the gym. Let's say only like dumbbells. I want to master different kind of things and to use them in a different way. Let's say I really like to use in the gym cable machines for my back, especially. When I do my legs, I really like to do like barbell squat, but I don't want to limit myself doing all of this kind of stuff. So if you can build your good legs without like having a barbell squat, right? There are so many things with doing with kettlebells, doing with dumbbells. So step by step, I add many things into my workouts and try to improve myself to be more skilled. Here we go. Exhale. Up. And let's work. 12. Go. 2. Nice. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Good job. Not bad. Breathe normally. Take care of yourself and we're moving forward. If some of you need to rest more in between, just you can rest. It's okay for me. I just don't complain about that. If I need to rest more, I rest. If not, I just move forward. Okay. Breathe. Back. And up. Squeeze. 2, 3, nice. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, squeeze. 11, 12. Awesome. My main goal is not to be big. My main goal is to build good, functional body, strong, consistent. It is very important, especially with aging. I'm 35 right now, so been practicing more than, let's say, 20 years, but not with too much weightlifting, let's say, in these 20 years. Mostly it was body weight, but last 2 years killing on with weights. Here we go. Inhale, exhale. chest. When you're rotating your arms, please do it smooth, nice and smooth. Okay, up and go. 1, 2, push. 3, squeeze your chest. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Up. Awesome. Last one, and we are done. Thank you for following my way, my path. It's just I'm trying to share the way I try to be healthy. I try to share the way my experience can be more helpful for most of you. So thank you one more time. Inhale deeply. Here we go. Round forward. Grab RDLs, shoulders, and back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Nice. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 2 more. 11, 12. Nice one. Okay, breathe. Take a deep breath. Inhale. Exhale. Okay, let's squat. 12 and go. 2, 3, push. 4, 5, 6, nice. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Good one. 2 more to go. We have back, chest, and we are done. Oh, today's sun is hitting really good already. Kind of sweating. But I try to not rest too much. There is no sense in resting 5 minutes, let's say, or like 3 minutes between sets. I'm not working with so heavy weights, so inhale. Here we go, back. And 2, 3, squeeze. 4, 5, nice. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Awesome. Breath. Exhale. Awesome. Here we go, the last one. Chest. Take a deep breath, more oxygen. Grab your dumbbells. Up and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Awesome. That's it. Up. Let's do quick down dog. Finishing with quick stretch. Good. Hold here. 3, 2, 1. Knees on the ground. Toes together. Inhale. Open up. Okay, another side. Open up. Okay, we are done. That's it, my friends. Thank you for being with me. Take care of yourself. Wish you all the best. Peace out.